Hey everybody, Mike Wardinski here from Wardinski Photo, aka naturemike.com. Today I want to talk about deleting photos from Lightroom, and not just one photo, but a bunch of photos. It's very easy to do with this simple technique, so let's dive in. Okay, so here we are in Lightroom, and we're gonna quickly go through some of these photos and bulk delete them. So let's just say that I hate bears fishing off a waterfall. So here's a bear fishing off a waterfall, and there's bears fishing off a waterfall all the way until right here. So I'm gonna click the first one, shift click on the last, and then I'm gonna hit the X key on the keyboard. And what that does is it adds this reject flag to those photos. I can also do this individually, so let's just say we don't like this photo, I can hit X. We can also do this from the loop view. So right now we're in the grid view. If I hit the E key, that takes us to the loop. And I can use the arrow keys to advance to the next photo. And we can kind of quickly go through here. Okay, let's say I want to delete this one. I'll hit X, keep on going. Maybe we'll keep these. I'll delete this photo. And if we want to speed things up even a little bit more, I could hit the cap locks key. This way, anytime I do an adjustment to a photo, it automatically advances to the next one. For example, if I hit the X key on this photo, it automatically goes to the next one. Hit X again, and there we go. So this way you can kind of quickly use the arrow keys and the X key to call your photos. Okay, now I'm gonna go back to the grid view. So I'm gonna hit G, and then I have another folder here called Other Images. I'm gonna go through here and let's just go ahead and select the middle ones. Again, hit the X key. When you're in the grid view, you can select multiple photos at a time and mark them all by hitting the X. If you accidentally hit the X key and want to go back, you can hit the U key, and that takes away the flags. So again, X to add the reject, U to remove the flags. You can also go down here and use the pig flag markers down in the bottom, but I find the X and U keys to be a little more efficient. Okay, so again, I'm going to mark these with an X, go back to the grid, and now I want to delete all of these photos, not just the ones in this folder, but the ones in this other folder as well. And since these two folders have a parent folder, I'm going to go ahead and click on that parent folder, and then I'm going to hit Command Delete on a Mac. That'd be Control Delete on a PC. And then I get this dialog box, and Lightroom's asking if I want to just remove the photos from Lightroom, just from my catalog, and they'll still remain on the hard drive, or delete them both from the Lightroom catalog and from the hard drive. Typically when I'm doing this, I want to delete them from both, and I'll choose delete from disk right here. You can't undo this, so make sure you do want to delete them, because once you hit that, they do delete from your catalog and from the computer. And there you go, as simple as that. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Click on that video that's on the screen right now, and I will see you in the next one. Have a good day.